Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about convexity. So now I want to show you how to answer. Show that the function f of s equals to negative natural log of s and exponential s. That means e to the power of s is convex. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find second derivative of the function. The first thing we need to find first derivative of the function. So if we do this one, we have 1 over s. This one we have same e to the power of s. After we do first derivative, now we go second derivative of the function. So if we do first derivative of 1 over s, we have negative 1 over s squared. This one we keep the same. Negative, negative, they are positive. So as you can see that when s go to negative infinity or positive infinity, they always greater than number 0, because this one they always greater than number 0 when they go to negative infinity or positive infinity. This one is similar to, because this is about even power. So when s go to negative infinity or positive infinity, they always positive. So this is about convex. That is the end. Thank you for watching.